Good morning. Good morning. I hope that everyone is doing well today. I just wanted to come in today and I wanted to come in and introduce you to a client of mine. I am always somewhat laughing when I think about her. But before I do that, I want to say thank you, subscribers, for hanging in with me during 2022 and now at the beginning of this year. Thank you so much. I have been wearing these braids for a week now, and it's just time for me to take them out. Now, during this video, you may not see the reveal, but I wanted to introduce you to my client. Again, thank you, subscribers. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and you're watching this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. You have a 24/7 invitation to join the Gene G family. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this client of mine. She came into my salon for a consultation, and we did that consultation, and she wanted microlocks. She was in a hurry to get her microlocks. She came in, she had colored hair, and had said that someone told her she couldn't get microlocks for whatever reason. I don't know. But she ended up in my chair, and we scheduled her appointment after the consultation. She decided she wanted it done quickly, and so we scheduled the appointment for the very next week. She told me that she was going to get her hair color corrected. And so my question to her was, are you going to get it colored again? Because you know then that there could be some issues with your locks. So she said, no, I'm getting it color corrected. And so I think the very next day or 2 days later, she sent me a picture of her hair, and it was darker. And I liked it. I liked it a lot. And then she sent me a different picture of her hair. And I didn't see a difference in what it looked like, and I didn't question why she sent me a second picture. But when she got into my chair the day of her appointment, I said to her, this does not feel like the hair that I put the test locks in. And the hair, it just didn't feel like the hair of the person that I consulted with. It felt more like the hair that was on my practice mannequin. And of course, she didn't understand what I was saying. But we completed her establishment, and she was happy about it, except for her ends. Her ends were dry and brittle. She even came in at some point during the year of me maintaining her microlocks, and she asked the other young lady in the salon to tie her ends. Yeah, tie them. As if you tie a shoestring or something like this. Well, she paid for that to be done, and it took quite a few hours. And they came out because her ends were dry and brittle. And as I began to retighten her hair over time, those ends began to just break off. Because remember, you cannot take care of locks the very same way that you take care of your loose natural hair. So I'm going to show you some pictures of what she looked like over time. And she's a very beautiful and sweet woman, and we get along just fine. But I just wanted you to see her transformation over time and know that at one point her nickname was Miss Color. Yeah, Miss Color. So just keep watching and see the transformation. What about the color, Deidre?
The gray is gone, and that's what I love the most. Jean worked her magic once again.
This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I could be to myself. And I just appreciate all that He does through me and for me. Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you my 360. Even though my hair is not completely out, you will see my full braid out during my next video, maybe. Yes.